are now at home. We got back late Tuesday night, cut. Hey guys, welcome back. We are now at home. So we got back late last night from our trip. We drove about 14 hours straight. And we, of course, went to the Festival of the Holidays. And you know what we did, but we have this surprise for the kids here. So, do you guys want to guess what this is?
Beignets.
Maddie? Maddie already knows, so.
Cookies.
You think cookies? Beignets?
Gingerbread.
Okay.
What kind of cookies?
What kind of cookies? Gingerbread? Okay.
And then powdered sugar
All right,
beignets.
so you guys are going, since you didn't get to go, you guys are going to get to do the cookie stroll at home.
Yay!
Cookie stroll? Cookie stroll is at EPCOT. They have 5 different pavilions you stop at and get a cookie.
You got 5 cookies plus a complimentary one. So, let's start at the beginning. So, first we have Germany. Germany, we have the Linzer cookie. So, would y'all like to try it? Who wants to try it first?
Me. But I guessed it.
Okay, we'll take turns. How about you try it first?
I guessed it right. Because you knew.
You have your plate.
That's good.
Is it?
I know what I'm.
Now you try it.
It's cool.
You wash your hands.
We are not starting this over.
Alright, that's a big bite. Okay, lean over your plate. This is why we have plates here. Alright, I'm gonna try 2. Oh, I like that. So that's the first cookie. The second cookie is from the American Pavilion, and it's called Chocolate Crinkle Cookie. This one, Mommy already took a bite.
It's big.
A piece for you, and then break off a piece for Caroline.
That's good.
You like that one? Really? Gosh. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna poke my eye out. Alright, so far, which one do you like the best? That one? Yeah, I like that one the best too. I forgot what this one tastes like, so I'm just gonna try it again.
It's like.
You like the chocolate one the best? No, it's not minty. I think it's because it was next to one of these cookies.
No one of that cookies. That cookie.
Yep. Alright, next is the black and white cookie.
Wait.
From between Morocco and France.
Let me guess.
What's the name of that pavilion? Or that food kitchen?
I have something in my mouth right now. You're gonna make me say it. What kind? Oh, now I can say it. The clan. All I can think of is that movie.
It sounds like a lamb and a climb.
Meet the Fockers. That's all I can think about. I'm like, yeah. Try that one.
Both sides?
Whichever side you
Or
want.
go right in the middle.
Yeah.
So you get some black and white.
One bite, and then Maddie's next. Hey, you don't need to act that way. Right, that's.
It's like a sugar cookie kind of.
Yeah.
Local cookie.
I kind of like that one too. So next is the gingerbread cookie, and that's from the World Showplace Events Pavilion. Let me see where she takes a bite.
Yeah.
I can't eat everything.
So you decided to rip off his torso. You ate it. You decapitated him. I'm gonna eat his arm then. I don't like it.
You never like gingerbread cookies, though.
No, I'm not a fan.
So,
And next we have the peppermint pinwheel cookie from Canada. Smell it.
That's peppermint.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
No, a little bite, May. Little. Little. What are you doing?
I want to get a big bite.
No. And then Bella just got some. Is it good? Yeah, you got too big of a bite, didn't you? And then, again, it's like a sugar cookie that tastes pepperminty. It's okay. And the last one is the complimentary mini peppermint cookies. It's just so pretty and cute in this wrapper. I don't really want to eat it. But I guess we need to try it.
I go first. Yay!
Yeah, I think we should do. All right, so far the winner is the Linzer cookie, in my opinion. From Germany, and it's nice and soft too, and it's got that nice like sweet sour flavoring
Bella,
from that. I guess it's
Stop
cranberry or something.
sniffing me. I don't want to eat any.
You don't? Don't let Bella eat it. Okay, well, nice stop.
No one's gonna eat it.
Okay, try a bite. There you go, right there. Okay, let go.
It's such a big.
I know. She like chew it up.
not impressed.
It doesn't have that much flavor to it.
I know it tastes peppermint, but again, it's just, you know, sugar cookie or shortbread. I don't really know. It just not really a fan of these kind of cookies. So far, the winners. That one's pretty good. It's okay. These, no. The chocolate one and this one.
That completes the world record for the furthest away from EPCOT cookie stroll.
Yes, a virtual at-home cookie stroll that we brought home. Were y'all excited? You weren't expecting this, were you?
I was thinking it was gonna be like something really cool, but like nothing.
See, we got all the stamps for each time we got our cookies, so. All right, well, there's our cookie stroll from home.